Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the ear pads and noting screw positions. This exposes the housing without damage. Once done, power off and unpair the headphones to avoid accidental motors or shorts while you work. Make sure to work on a clean surface and arrange screws in order. Why? Reassembly demands exact placement. You then use a T5 screwdriver and a spudger to open the shell along the seam, prying slowly to avoid plastic clips breaking. This first access is critical for every repair that follows. You now inspect the internal layout. Trace the battery cable, speaker leads, and the base actuator ribbon for any visible damage. Once located, test each with a multimeter so you know whether to solder, replace, or simply reseat connectors. Why? Guessing leads to repeated disassembly. Make careful solder joints or use heat shrink tubing to secure repairs. Then temporarily reconnect the battery and test audio and bass before full reassembly so you confirm the problem is resolved. You reassemble by aligning clips and replacing screws in sequence, tightening lightly so plastic won't strip. Why? Correct torque prevents future failures. Once closed, pair Bluetooth, run audio tests across volume levels, and verify buttons and mic function. If bass feels off, check actuator seating and firmware. If problems persist, swap in a known good module or battery to isolate the fault. One key troubleshooting tip: perform a factory reset and fresh pairing before assuming hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.